The Redline Solutions temperature screening device
is offered in two different sizes. We have the 5-inch and the 8-inch. Each device has a touchscreen display, as well as an infrared camera affixed to the top of the device. The main difference with the units is the 5-inch offers an additional fingerprint verification, as well as the face and palm verification. Each device has LEDs for lighting up the subject. There's 2 additional thermal sensors, in addition to the thermal camera at the top. This provides 1,000 points of temperature screening across the forehead, eyes, and tear ducts of the individual. This allows not only for a very accurate temperature screening with a standard deviation of 0.6 degrees Fahrenheit, but also a very consistent temperature screening. Each unit has an integrated camera for the face and palm verification, as well as for gathering the image of the user during the transaction. Each device has a speaker and reset button built in to the bottom of the unit. The device speaker can be turned on or off, depending if you would like the audible enunciations. Temperature and device settings can be configured directly on the temperature device. These settings are locked by administrator credentials. Each unit can be networked using either a Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or PoE connection. The device will require a 110 outlet if PoE is not being used. Each device provides some dry contacts at the back of the unit to connect to items such as strobes or sirens, or really any other device that utilizes a low voltage contact. Additionally, we have a Wiegand interface on the rear of the device. This is an input and output interface. This provides us the ability to control and access controlled door, to work in tandem with your existing card readers to provide access to a building based on not only the user's access, but also that user's temperature screening. Additionally, we can control a turnstile or any other access control device. The device can be mounted flat on the wall using the included bracket. We can mount the device on an adjustable arm, either to the wall or using a suction cup on a table. We also have a pedestal mount to allow the device to be mounted in the middle of an open area. We also have a table mount that can be used to set the device on a desk or table. The management software can be installed directly on your servers, on your local network, behind your firewall. This ensures that all of the data is secure and can only be accessed by authorized personnel. Data retention options can be set in the software interface, allowing you to purge data after a specified period of time. Each device can be managed from the software interface, allowing for global enterprise management of each temperature screening device. During the temperature screening, an individual's face will be presented to the box in the center of the screen. Using the integrated speaker of the device, we can conduct the user to move forward or back to allow them to get to the optimal position for the temperature screening.
Please adjust your position for temperature screening.
Once their temperature is taken, it will present the pass or fail notification at the top of the screen. It shows their temperature in the selected units on the display, and then will show whether or not the user has passed or failed at the bottom of the display, and it will also display the user's details if they are enrolled in the unit. When a user fails their temperature screening, the device is able to audibly denote that that user is over the temperature range with a siren sound. Our device has the capability of screening individuals for the use of PPE, in this case a mask, We can determine whether or not the user is wearing a mask or not wearing a mask. We can report on this information in real time with the live dashboard or the email reports. And we can still verify the user's face biometric even while using a face covering such as a mask. The software interface provides plenty of additional reporting, as well as a live dashboard and email reports for over temperature or no mask situations. Users can be managed from the software interface, and their user profiles can be distributed to one or multiple devices based on your requirements. Each user can be added or edited directly from the software interface. We can also add users using an Excel import file, or we can use an Active Directory integration. Our temperature screening device can be connected to a printer unit. This unit allows us to define whether a user has passed or failed and print a sticker for them to wear throughout the day so that they can visually confirm that they have passed their temperature check. On this sticker, it will include whether they passed or failed, the date and time, and the fail and pass messages are configurable. So if a user does not pass their temperature check, administrators can offer customized text per unit so an individual knows whether they need to see HR, call a certain person, or maybe go home to await further instructions.